I was at my university and I saw this advertisement taped to the bottom of a light post. It's for a local insect fear film festival. However, you miss it completely among the other flyers. The overall layout is confusing and the date is very tiny. So let's reuse the same information into a more inviting poster. Let's start with some irregular edges and a large line of ants moving diagonally across the layout to give it a more dynamic appearance. The middle is cut out and looks somewhat like a giant ant tunnel, with the event title filling the space. The movie titles are up top, combining handwritten fonts with an inviting bold typeface. Most importantly, I made the date much larger, followed with the location and the times when the doors open and when the film starts. The QR code is put on the lower corner and the event's logo mirrors it on the top left. To finish it all off, the top, middle, and lower sections each get their own individual ant photo, filling the negative space. Let's get it printed. And we're back at the light post with the original and updated advertisement. Thanks for watching.